I could tell already these are gonna be super bright. When I bought this place, I got pretty lucky. Decent driveway, nice sized backyard, and this, my garage. Now, it might not look like much, but it's where everything starts. First upgrade, lighting. With these tariffs going on, I picked up these LED hexagonal lights from Amazon. I'll make sure I leave a link in my bio or in the description if you guys want to pick these up yourselves. But they're low energy, they're bright, and they look sick. There wasn't much in that box, honestly. There's no real instructions, so I guess we just gonna make this shape here and see how it looks. All right. Well, the lights look really good. Next thing we need to do is figure out how we're gonna mount them. I have already marked the ceiling at like where the center for this area is. All I need to do really is just kind of piece by piece put it up. I could wait until tomorrow, but I'm a bit impatient. So I think I'm just gonna crack at it, put you guys on a time lapse, and just see what I can do. Let's get it hung up just for tonight. Okay, we're back, and as you guys can tell, it is a whole lot brighter in here than it was before. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that we took a short break from installing the lights to go to the racetrack. Now, I don't have power ran to the lights. I actually just have them ran off from the extension cord, but wiring up the garage, wiring up the compressor, and tool setup will all be something covered in another video. However, if you guys have built your own shop, built your own garage, and you think there's some things I need to consider and look out for, comment them down below because that'd be a big help. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.